Yeah, get it. Record it. Oh my god. You tired yet? He's just toying with you now. Just wait for him. Oh no.
This dog is awesome.
Oh my god.
You could like totally grab the dog now. That's like your goal.
Two of them, I don't know. I think there's two both of them.
Dude, we should play running back. I know. Except for it fumbles a lot.
Okay, fine. You can play like safety or something like that.
Oh, I think running back's good because it fumbles a lot, but it picks it up. Come here. You think you got it.
He's gonna throw up on you.
Success!
Success! Good job. We just got you on YouTube right now. He drops it just to go pick it up and then run around her again. I think he lies down. He's always with her. I love. He reminds me of like a little baby polar bear.
It's like I'm taunting you. Check that out.
What you know about that?
You can't catch this.
Can't catch me. I could say he's probably just like. See, look, he just dropped it. Go and pick it up. He can break tackles and tell you what. He can.
It's like Adrian Peterson.
No, Chris Johnson for real.
No, it drops it.
Go get the sandal. Get the sandal.
Oh, I would have.
He just lies down. Hey, next time he lies down close to me. He's popping wheelies. he's popping wheelies. Get that money. Get that money. Get over.
It's stuck on its foot.
I love my life. I love my life. He'll bite you.